Hello there, this is a quick overview of how you can automate the form collection process and put all the responses into Power BI and create a dashboard. So first we're using Power Automate. This is kind of like our glue layer. This is a very simple flow. Um, First, whenever a form is triggered, um, whenever a form is submitted, it triggers this flow um, and kind of collects all the information. So the good thing about this kind of flow is that you have this real-time data set. So everything is in real time, which means that every time one user submitted, the things will be uh, instantly updated into Power BI, which means that you don't have to wait for somebody or you don't have to manually create a flow. So I think this is one of the points where it saves some labor. Um, Here's the form. I'm just gonna go through it quickly. So basically, you rate the overall, give an overall score for the speaker, how the speaker can improve, what are some things the speaker is doing exceptionally well, any form of biases, and finally, we have some feedback for the form itself. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So let's heading to the Power BI. We have a two-page report here. Just a quick note here. This is not a dashboard. This is a report, but we can easily export this into PDF form, PowerPoint, or pin everything into a one-page dashboard. Um, on the left-hand side, we have all the buttons. Actually link to the continue professional development side of the house size at McMaster. Um, so yeah, I mean the graphics looks pretty bad. I would say we can definitely work on that later. But the cool thing is, Power BI allows a high degree of user interaction with the report. For example, you can sometimes enter your questions here. Um, those are just some built-in functions. Yeah, and this page is for the speaker. The next one is for the form itself. Um, Here we're just asking for the overall rate of the form. If you click on those, it actually shows you those specific feedback about the form. So, for example, when people enter how this form can be further improved, um, their suggestions will appear here in this area. And yeah, so that's pretty much it about Power BI. One more thing I want to point out is how scalable uh, this flow, I mean the overall process is. For example, this one is just for speaker one. What what if you have 10 speakers? What if you have 100 speakers? So it's actually a quick fix. You just need to copy and change the name from here. Change this to speaker 4. And here you go. This is, and then you go to Power Automate. You can just duplicate this flow and change the form ID um, to speaker 4. I'll just need to refresh it and it should appear right over here. You change this to speaker 4, change it to speaker 4, and you can create another data set in your Power BI, just map it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions, feel free to let me know. Yeah, till next time.